Middleton Power Center, our slogan is, "We've got the power." So we've got the power to get you a unit that's going to work for you.
As a dealer, we try to select equipment that is properly built, strong, and you'll notice that we don't have a lot of entry-level manufacturers here for the reason that we are looking for a certain quality, durability, and dependability for our customer. And Orec definitely fit that with their build and their warranty programs and the service that they provide to us. One of our customers' needs are oftentimes brush removal, tall grasses, prairie grasses, maintaining anything like that. Orec has the brush rover. It's a very small, compact, ride-on machine that comes in 2- or 4-wheel drive. So if you're looking to remove brush, tall grasses, saplings from an area, maintain trails, anything of that capability on hillsides, slopes, the brush rover is a great solution. It'll help you maintain small saplings up to 2 inches. As you're approaching material, if you're able to tip it over, this thing will cut it.
The Trailblazer will haul up to 650 pounds worth of weight. So wood, bark, pavers, you name it, haul it through up and down rough areas, up hills, down hills, wherever you want to go with it. The Cyclone flail mower is a mower that will chip things up almost. It's made for wet areas or dry, hilly. It's on tracks, but anything that'll pull in, it'll just kind of chip it and mulch it up. Really a nice piece of equipment, very heavy duty.
Orec also has a garden quake, a great rear tine tiller. It's a higher end tiller that would work commercially. It'll work for large garden plots. It's powerful enough to break hard ground, create good seed beds. It's a great alternative to a lot of box store grade tillers. This is a higher grade tiller with more ease of use and durability.
Samurai is a brush mower, walk behind brush mower that has a pivoting swivel wheel up front. So it's easy to maneuver, but cuts big stuff. Small saplings, tall grass, you name it. If you can run over it, it's going to take it and cut it down.
So the Snow Rhino is a track system with a adjustable snow blade on the front. A lot of our average snow removal companies that are looking for a niche piece of equipment are using this, and they're using it very successfully. It's been very, very popular. Its maneuverability, its ease of use. Our reviews have been very positive with customers where they're actually able to go in places they can't go with other equipment.
So the Snow Bowl would be good for really tight areas where they can't get anything else in, and they still want to save a lot of time with that piece of equipment. It's really nimble and really easy to get around with and pushes a lot of snow.
So it's a constant goal of ours to try to have equipment here that helps our customers work smarter, do more in less time, spend more time with family. The Orec is a brand that helps us do that, and we welcome them here at Middleton Power Center.